now and again, Goil makes good things happen. This time, Goil has introduced Super XP Ron 95, a higher grade fuel loaded with additives and yet sold at the same price as normal fuel. Goil Super XP Ron 95 enhances engine performance like never before. It maintains the engine by keeping it clean from carbon deposits. Goil Super XP Ron 95 is designed to burn slowly and thus improves fuel economy, making you save money after several kilometers. Goil Super XP Ron 95 gives you a smooth driving experience, that is, less vibrations. Fill up with Goil Super XP Ron 95. Now there's no need to pay more for any higher grade fuel. Goil has that sorted. Goil, good energy.
Tap into the convenience of ABSA contactless cards, another innovation that's turning banking on its head. Now, you can make fast, easy and safe contactless payments for everyday items. That's Africanacity. That's ABSA.
I rather your humble servant do my back. And I tightness of crowd into him. I swear that Jimmy. My 277. What's your missa? How the Maya? Papa, to go miss so. 2020 was a very tough year. 2021 dear, mafia. First me talk about Gary Kitwebi. Say the concrete and casa and the medigum. Papi, in the system in my day. Has been so dear, but me I am a kama. I am young palm, the Miamato. Show me a miracle.
It's showering cash with a grand prize of 100,000 Ghana cedis in the Airtel Tigo Tugumisu promo. Top up, do so much more on Airtel Tigo and earn points to win lots of cash. Dial star 500 hash and recharge 5 Ghana cedis to also win data and call minutes. Get Airtel Tigo.
I tell Tigo no, my dear Nibium.
It's scary, isn't it? Putting yourself out there, facing your fears. All you need to do is keep trying and give it everything you've got, because everything you need to achieve the impossible is already inside. So here's to the ones who give 100%. We celebrate.
This advert is FDA approved.
Dano Milk. Go for it.
Yo, Charlie, what's up?
Bro, I do.
It's that time of the year again.
Abi, you know, we made it last year. What be the challenge for today?
Time travel is possible. All we have to do is find E.
This one day, we go need more time for that.
But we have the best data bundles.
Yeah, we will see.
Do more with Ghana's best data bundles on Airtel Tigo. Big time data, Sika Coco, Morning Rush, and other amazing offers. Dial star 111 hash now.
Airtel Tigo. Life is simple.
Whoever you're doing it for, we'll help you get it done. Simply. That's Africanacity. That's ABSA.
Today, the question is no longer, why do we have problems? But rather, how can we spin those challenges into opportunities? This is the revolutionary mindset we, students here at Academic City, are driven by. Academic City, we believe that the challenges of today are nothing like the opportunities of tomorrow. Hence, we're poised for the future. And so we say,
come join us. Pakuli.
Biasonyan.
Oyayi Tibatania.
Zafura Nabia.
Viens nous rejoindre.
Brabe Kayan. Ao, Amanasat Shame Hojao.
As we lead the charge to empower the next generation of future leaders. Academic City University College, redefining university education.
Alande, make I walk you through my everyday life. Busy from the morning light. My to-do list long, shadow fit to overlap. So sharp, turn on mobile app. School fees check, light bills check. Do I'm with speed like a G4 jet. You be at the day, I am not upset. Check, I don't even use checks to the check.
Join the ABSA family and make fast, easy, and safe transactions with our digital products. Log on to absa.com.gh. No long thing. We like them simple and easy.
Believe me, no long things in my life, though. Like I'm simple and easy.
Here's innovation from Goyle that takes you further. New Goyle Super Synthetic 5W20 and 5W30 lubes have been expertly crafted with the latest in liquid engineering technology, highly advanced for modern engines, prolongs oil change intervals, save you fuel, clean, protect and enhance engine performance. The way engines work has become complex, and Goyle has innovated to stay ahead with expertly crafted lubricants that work excellently with all petrol and diesel engines of today. New Goyle Super Synthetic 5W20 and 5W30 lubes. Innovation that takes you further. Goyle. Good energy.
Accra College of Medicine is the leading private medical college in the country, seeking to train doctors who are committed to excellence and have the heart power. With the state-of-the-art facilities, small class size and an amazing faculty, we help our students learn better.
My dream of becoming a medical doctor is now a reality because at ACM, I am offered the best learning experience.
We are accredited by the National Accreditation Board and the Medical and Dental Council. ACM is affiliated to the University of Ghana with mentorship from the University of Ghana Medical School.
For those who want to pursue medicine, our doors are wide open. Accra College of Medicine is the place to be.
Visit www.acm.edu.gh to apply now. Accra College of Medicine, producing the next generation of health professionals.
We are offering our new and over 26 million existing customers worldwide an absolutely free COVID-19 cover. Yes, absolutely free. A couple of reasons. The satisfaction of knowing that you know we care. It's in conformity with who we are, the core of identity. We have a value of initiative that constantly drives us and to push the bar. We have a mantra, always listening, always understanding, and we back that up. Customer satisfaction is important to us. We have been doing this for over 170 years. We have honored our promise throughout the years. We were there in 1848 during the cholera pandemic, the sinking of the Titanic in 1912, through World Wars I and II, 1918 Spanish flu epidemic, through the decade of the Great Depression, 2002 SARS outbreak. And we certainly have every intention of honoring claims for this 2020 coronavirus pandemic. Hi, my name is Razak Abdul, and I'm the head of customer service here at Prudential Life Insurance Ghana. I invite you all to join the Prudential Life family today.
Alande, make I walk you through my everyday life. Busy from the morning light. My to-do list long, shadow fit to overlap. So sharp, turn on mobile app. School fees check, light bills check. Do I'm with speed like a G4 jet. You be at the day, I am not upset. Check, I don't even use checks to the check.
Join the ABSA family and make fast, easy, and safe transactions with our digital products. Log on to absa.com.gh. No long thing.
We like 'em simple and easy.
Believe me, no long tense in my life, though. Like I'm simple and easy. Easy.
Hello everyone. A very warm welcome to the 1/8 stage of the 2022 National Championship of the National Science and Maths Quiz. Competing in this 16th contest, we have Accra Academy, Gyamfi Senior High School, and Our Lady of Mount Carmel Girls Senior High School. Let's meet the contestants. Accra Academy is represented by
Ukachuku Jubilee,
Balan Philippine Code.
Okay. Accra Academy, tell us about your experience this year for the NSMQ.
Okay. By God's grace, we are seeded school. So during the regionals, we went straight and we met Laboni Senior High, Olam SHS, and it didn't go as well as we planned. So we've come back and we've worked harder, and we know that God will take us through and will qualify in this contest and go on to the quarterfinal stage.
Okay. Best wishes to your Accra Academy.
Thank you.
Then we have Gyamfi Senior High School. They are represented by
Ejime Enoch,
Ebenezer Ohini Bwadi.
Okay. Gyamfi Senior High School, tell us also about your experience.
Well, we came in from the regional qualifiers. We went to the regional championship, In the regional championship, we met Opokuare and Sims, and unfortunately, we were kicked out of the competition. But we came back to the national championship prepared more stronger, and we are hoping to move on to the next stage of competition.
Okay. Best wishes to you at Gyamfi Senior High School. Finally, the ladies from Our Lady of Mount Carmel Girls Senior High School are
Akolgo Sarah Yemboma.
Dogville Clotilde Damwintomi.
Our Lady of Mount Carmel Girls, how about you? How has your journey been in the 2020 championship?
The journey hasn't been so easy. We started with God, and we know with God, this is surely going to be a win.
Okay. There we have our schools competing in this 16th contest at the 1/8 stage of the National Championship of the 2022 National Science and Maths Quiz. My name is Dr. Thelma Ohinieje, a senior lecturer at the University of Ghana School of Pharmacy, and I'm your quiz mistress. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Absa Bank and supported by Joy News, GOIL, Prudential Life Insurance, Airtel Tigo, GNPC, Dano Milk, Newmont Ghana, Puma Drinks, Academic City University College, Accra College of Medicine, Studio HD, and YFM. This is a primetime production. To our schools, this contest will come to you in 5 rounds. We'll start in round 1. In round 1, I would ask you questions to test your knowledge of fundamental concepts in physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. If a question comes to your school as a main question, you have 30 seconds to answer if it involves calculations. If there are no calculations, you'd have 10 seconds. If you answer correctly, you earn 3 points. If your answer is incorrect, there's no penalty to you, but the question becomes available as a bonus question. The first out of the 2 schools to ring their bell can answer. If they are correct, they have 1 point. If the answer is incorrect, then there's a penalty point of 1. In this round, I'll begin with Accra Academy. And the contest starts with a preamble to all schools. A canoe is rowed with speed V from the bank across a river of width W in a direction perpendicular to the river current of speed U. For the given values of U, V, and W, find the distance the canoe drifts down the river from the point on the other river bank directly opposite to the starting point. I'll take that again. A canoe is rowed with speed V from one bank across a river of width W in a direction perpendicular to the river current of speed U. For the given values of U, V, and W, find the distance the canoe drifts down the river from the point on the other river bank directly opposite the starting point. Do you all have that? Okay, Accra Academy. U equals 1.40 meters per second. V equals 2.50 meters per second. And W equals 85.0 meters. Yes, Jubilee.
We have 3.00 meters per second.
No. A bonus. Okay. Edu Gyamfi, your values. U equals 1.50 meters per second. V equals 3.20 meters per second, and W equals 96.0 meters. Yes, Eben.
We have 9.20 meters.
No, a bonus. Our Lady of Mount Carmel. U equals 2.4 meters per second. V equals 1.3 meters per second. And W equals 144 meters. Yes, Sarah.
149 meters.
No. A bonus. Okay, so in this set of questions, you were to calculate for the distance the canoe drifts. And this will be given by W multiplies V over U. And then Accra Academy, your answer would have come to 152 meters. Edu Gyamfi, 205 meters. And then Our Lady of Mount Carmel, 78 meters. Another preamble. Find the solution set of the cubic inequality. Find the solution set of the cubic inequality. Accra Academy. The expression x squared plus 1 multiplying the expression x minus 1 is greater than 0. Yes, Jubilee.
X is such that x is greater than 1.
Yes, that's correct. Edu Gyamfi SHS. The expression x squared plus 2 multiplying the expression x plus 2 is less than 0. Enoch.
The solution set is x is such that x is less than -2.
Yes, that's correct. Our Lady of Mount Carmel. The expression 2x squared plus 1 multiplying the expression 2x minus 3 is greater than 0. Yes, Sarah.
X is such that x is greater than 3 on 2.
Yes, that's correct. Another preamble. Speciation is when individuals within a population undergo change to such a degree that they become a new and distinct species. Mention one of the main types of speciation. I want each school to give me one of the main types of speciation. Accra Academy. Yes, Balani.
St. Patrick speciation.
Yes, that's correct. Edu Gyamfi Senior High School. Yes, Enoch.
Yeah, a St. Patrick's speciation.
I'm sorry, repeat that.
A St. Patrick speciation.
No. A bonus. Yes, Accra Academy.
Allopatric speciation.
Yes, that's correct. So Our Lady of Mount Carmel, your main question now. Mention one type. Okay, a bonus to Accra Academy.
Parapatric speciation.
That's correct. And the other one was peripatric speciation. Okay. A preamble. What is the most appropriate name for the following compound? I'll give you a compound. You tell me the most appropriate name. Accra Academy. 4-ethyl 3-bromopentane. Yes, Jubilee.
We have 4-bromo 3-methyl hexane.
No, a bonus. Our Lady of Mount Carmel. Yes, Sarah.
3-bromo 4-methyl hexane.
Yes, that's correct. Edu Gyamfi Senior High School. 3-chloro 3-propyl pentane. Yes, Enoch.
You have 3-chloro 3-ethyl hexane.
That's correct. Accra Academy, why are you ringing your bell? So if your school is answering, I've been ruled on it, there's no point to ring your bell, okay? Because even if the answer was wrong, I already have allowed you for the bonus. Our Lady of Mount Carmel. Pentyl cyclobutane. Yes, okay. Sarah, is your hand up?
The same thing.
Go ahead.
1-pentyl cyclobutane.
No, a bonus. Okay, it's 1-cyclobutyl pentane. A preamble. Give the gravitational potential. Give the gravitational potential. 2.0, this is to Accra Academy, 2.0 meters from a particle if the gravitational potential 5.0 meters from the particle is minus 6.7 times 10 to the power minus 10 joules per kilogram, sorry. Minus 6.7 times 10 to the power minus 10 joules per kilogram. Yes. Yes, Jubilee.
We have negative 1.7 times 10 raised to the power negative 9 joule per kilogram.
That's correct. Edu Gyamfi SHS, 8.1 meters from a particle if the gravitational potential 3.0 meters from the particle is minus 5.6 times 10 exponent minus 9 joules per Kelvin. Yes, Enoch.
We have 2.0 by 10 to the power negative 9 joule per kilogram.
No. A bonus to Accra Academy.
Negative 2.1 times 10 to the power negative 9 joule per kilogram.
That's correct. Our Lady of Mount Carmel girls, 18 meters from a particle. If the gravitational potential 15 meters from the particle is minus 9.4 times 10 to the power negative 9 joules per kilogram. Yes, sir.
We had one. We have 1.5 times 10 exponent negative 9. All that negative of that expression in joule per kilogram.
No. Yes, Accra Academy.
We have negative 7.8 times 10 to the power negative 9 joule per kilogram.
That's correct. Okay, evaluate the given limit. Evaluate the given limit and listen to these carefully. Accra Academy, the limit as x approaches 1 of x minus 1 over root x minus 1. So the root is just for the x. X minus 1 over root x minus 1. Yes, Balani.
2.
That's correct. Edu Gyamfi, limit as x approaches 4 of root x. Just the root is just for the x minus 2 over x minus 4. Yes, Enoch. Yes.
You have 1 on 4.
That's correct. Our Lady of Mount Carmel, the limit as x approaches 25 of 25 minus x over 5 minus root x. The root is just for x. 25 minus x over 5 minus root x. Yes, Sarah.
10.
That is correct. A preamble, motility is the ability of a cell or organism to move on its own accord by expending energy. Mention the means of motility of the following. Okay. Accra Academy, slime molds. Slime molds. Jubilee.
They used flagella.
No. A bonus. A Gyamfi. Human leukocyte. Human leukocyte. Yes. Yes, go ahead.
They are carried by the blood.
No. A bonus. Okay. Our Lady of Mount Carmel. Human sperm cell. Yes, Sarah.
They use the tail of the sperm to move. And they use the tail of the sperm to propel it to move towards the egg cell, and the energy is provided by the mitochondrion.
No, a bonus. Okay, so Accra Academy, the movement in slime molds is amoeboid. Amoeboid. Edu Gyamfi. Human leukocyte is amoeboid as well. Amoeboid movement. And then Our Lady of Mount Carmel, flagella. Flagella movement. Accra Academy. Calculate the maximum concentration of lead ions in a saturated solution of lead 2 iodide, PbI2, at 22 degrees Celsius, given that the solubility product of the salt is 4.0 times 10 to the power negative 12. Yes.
1.0 times 10 to the power negative 4 mole per decimeter cube.
That's correct. Edu Gyamfi SHS. Calculate the solubility in milligram per dm cube of lead 2 oxalate, PbC2O4, at 25 degrees Celsius, given its solubility product is 1.0 times 10 to the power negative 10. Take the molecular mass of PbC2O4 as 295 gram per mole. Yes, Enoch. Go ahead.
We have 2.95 milligram per decimeter cube.
That's correct. Our Lady of Mount Carmel. Calculate the molar solubility of CaCO3 in a 0.010 mole per dm cube solution of Na2CO3, given that the solubility product is 3.4 times 10 to the power negative 9. Yes. Yes, Sarah.
3.4 times 10 exponent negative 7 mole per dm cube.
That's correct. That brings us to the end of round 1.
Chat to us anytime, anywhere. Access our virtual assistant, the ABSA bot, 24/7. That's Africanacity. That's ABSA.
Accra College of Medicine is the leading private medical college in the country, seeking to train doctors who are committed to excellence and have the heart power. With the state-of-the-art facilities, small class size, and an amazing faculty, we help our students learn better.
My dream of becoming a medical doctor is now a reality because at ACM, I am offered the best learning experience.
We are accredited by the National Accreditation Board and the Medical and Dental Council. ACM is affiliated to the University of Ghana with mentorship from the University of Ghana Medical School.
For those who want to pursue medicine, our doors are wide open. Accra College of Medicine is the place to be.
Visit www.acm.edu.gh to apply now. Accra College of Medicine, producing the next generation of health professionals.
Every now and again, Goil makes good things happen. This time, Goil has introduced Super XP Ron 95, a higher grade fuel loaded with additives and yet sold at the same price as normal fuel. Goil Super XP Ron 95 enhances engine performance like never before. It maintains the engine by keeping it clean from carbon deposits. Goil Super XP Ron 95 is designed to burn slowly and thus improves fuel economy, making you save money after several kilometers. Goil Super XP Ron 95 gives you a smooth driving experience, that is, less vibrations. Fill up with Goil Super XP Ron 95. Now there's no need to pay more for any higher grade fuel. Goil has that sorted. Goil, good energy.
It's scary, isn't it? Putting yourself out there. Facing your fears. All you need to do is keep trying and give it everything you've got, because everything you need to achieve the impossible is already inside. So here's to the ones who give 100%. We celebrate you.
This advert is MD approved.
Dano Milk. Go for it.
Okay. There's a protest here I would like to address, actually two. So I asked Our Lady of Mount Carmel the means of motility by the human sperm cell. Yeah, so, and they said the tail. I actually wanted to ask them what the tail was called and to lead them on, but I just left it. So the question was not clear. The question actually was asking for the type of movement, but then it said the means of movement. So on that basis, I think their answer as a tail is acceptable. So that will be accepted. There is also a protest from both Gyamfi and Our Lady of Mount Carmel. That in the biology question where I asked, the answer Accra Academy gave me was sympatric speciation, on speciation. I didn't give a fair chance to Our Lady of Mount Carmel because I allowed a bonus. So I do that. I say if you have two answers, you can give a bonus, but I understand how the consultant says it's not a fair chance. So I'm going to that set of questions has been scrapped. And I'm going to give a different question. The question can come from any area. So it could be physics, chemistry, mathematics, or biology. That is agreed, right? I don't want to ask the question and then later there will be complaints and protests. The question can come from any area. So I'll ask each school a question. So that biology question, the scores have been scrapped. And then there's a different question now. Okay. Okay. So this is the question. And it's a preamble. Give one major property of gases. I'll start with Accra. I don't want a repetition of answer. There will be no bonus. Give one major property of gases. Accra Academy, your answer. Go ahead, Jubilee.
So gases are highly compressible.
That is correct. Gyamfi.
Gas particles are in constant random motion.
No. Our Lady of Mount Carmel.
Gases have very low forces of attraction between their molecules.
Okay, I would accept that. Okay, so that brings us to the end of round one. that very last question I asked about the property of gases, the answer Our Lady of Mount Carmel gave me was, "I has no forces of attraction," and that answer would not be accepted. At the end of round 1, here are the scores. Gyamfi Senior High School, 12 points. Our Lady of Mount Carmel Girls Senior High School, 13 points. Accra Academy, 17 points. Round 2. Round 2 is a speed race. And here, each question that is asked is open to all 3 schools at the same time. If you have an answer, you ring your bell. I'll stop and allow you to give your answer. If your answer is correct, you'd be awarded 3 points. If your answer is incorrect, another school rings, they can have that question. If they answer correctly, they would have 2 points. If the second answer is incorrect, the last school can have the question but for a point. At each time a wrong answer is given, there's a penalty point of 1. And also, I want to mention that all of you should look at me. There should be no communication with anybody in the audience. If that is found out, you'll be penalized. The questions are coming from me. Give me the answers. Okay, our first question. 12.8 grams of oxygen gas and 16.8 grams of nitrogen gas are sealed in a vessel at standard temperature. If the total pressure of the gas is found to be 110 kilopascals, what is the partial pressure of oxygen gas? O equals 16, N equals 14. Yes, Accra Academy. Yes, Jubilee.
We have 44.0 kilopascals.
Yeah, I'll take it. Determine the sum of the coefficients of all reactants and products in a balanced equation of the reaction CH3, CH2, OH plus O2 gives H2O plus CO2. Yes, Accra Academy. Your answer?
9.
That's correct. What is the average oxidation number of carbon in C2H4O2? Gyamfi. Yes, Enoch.
+1.
No. Accra Academy.
0.
That is correct. A 2 kilogram particle moves with velocity 3I plus 4J meters per second, and a nearby 4 kilogram particle moves with velocity minus 3I plus J meters per second. Find the velocity of the center of mass of the system of 2 particles. Yes, Accra Academy. Yes, Balani.
-I plus 2J, all in meters per second.
That's correct. Find the moment of inertia of a uniform sphere of radius 2.5 centimeters and mass 0.51 kilogram about an axis through a point on its surface. Gyamfi. Yes, Enoch.
Units. We have 1.28 Newton second.
No. Our Lady of Mount Carmel. Yes.
2.5 times 10 exponent -5 kilogram meter squared.
No. Accra Academy. Yes, Jubilee.
2 6.5 times 10 raised to the power -4 kilogram meter squared.
No. I have 4.5 times 10 to the power -4 kilogram meter squared. Find the period of resonant oscillations of an ideal LC circuit with L equals 50.0 millihenry, 50.0 millihenry, and C equals 20.0 microfarad. Our Lady of Mount Carmel. Yes. Yes, Sarah.
300 nanoseconds.
No. Accra Academy.
We have 6.28 milliseconds.
That's correct. A particle of mass 1 kilogram is moving with velocity, the expression 3I plus 8J meters per second. An impulse of the expression 5I minus 6J Newton seconds is applied. Find the velocity after the impulse. Accra Academy. Yes, Jubilee.
I have 8I plus 2J all in meter per second.
That's correct. Find the value of the constant K, given that the expression x plus 2 is a factor of f of x equals 3x cubed plus x squared plus kx plus 20. Accra Academy. Balani.
K is 0.
That's correct. Given that the expression 1 minus x raised to the power 10 equals 1 minus 10x plus ax squared plus bx cubed plus and on it goes. Find the values of a and b. Yes, Accra Academy.
A is equal to 45 and B is equal to 120.
No. Who rang the bell next? Gyamfi. Answer. Yes.
We have the value of A to be 45 and the value of B to be the value of B to be.
Have you rang your bell?
62.
Okay, it's not correct. So Our Lady of Mount Carmel.
A is 15 and B is -30.
No. So A is 45, B is -120. -120. What name is given to the organ which surrounds the organs in the abdomen and suspends them from the abdominal wall? What name is given to the organ which surrounds the organs in the abdomen and suspends them from the abdominal wall? The mesentery. Name the plant tissue that allows branches of tree to move and bend freely in high wind velocity. The plant tissue that allows tree branches to move and bend freely when there's high wind velocity. Yes, Accra Academy.
Colin Kaima.
That is correct. Our last question for the round. Who proposed the inheritance of acquired Gyamfi? Yes. Eben.
Jean-Baptiste Lamarck.
That's correct. And that brings us to the end of round 2.
Awurade your humble servant kwakwa do maba. Na tight no so cry into hu twa. Aso ya Jimmy. Matthew 7:7. Osi ya musa how the be maye. Papa to go me so. 2020 was a very tough year. 2021 there mafia. First me togo ba gari kitwe bi say the concrete ankasa and me digu me yam. Papa minim say system ni mu aye din. Has minim say wo de betimi aye me kama. Aja me am pa me de me yam ato. Show me a miracle.
It's showering cash with a grand prize of 100,000 Ghana cedis in the Airtel Tigo Tugumisu promo. Top up, do so much more on Airtel Tigo and earn points to win lots of cash. Dial star 500 hash and recharge 5 Ghana cedis to also win data and call minutes. Get Airtel Tigo.
Airtel Tigo no, my dear Nibium.
At the end of round 2, here are the scores. Our Lady of Mount Carmel Girls Senior High School, 10 points. Gyamfi Senior High School, 12 points. Accra Academy, 37 points. Round 3. Round 3 is where we have the problem of the day. And this is a common problem that is presented to all 3 schools at the same time. The problem is worth 10 points, and they have 4 minutes to provide a solution on the screen. After 4 minutes, a bell will go to indicate to them they can take their seats. When they take their seats, I'll go to the screen, assess the solution they have. When I come back to my seat, I'll then explain the solution as provided by the consultant, and also explain how and why I awarded the marks I did. In this round, we have what we call the Prudential Life Insurance NSMQ star. This star is worth 2,400 Ghana cedis to a team that earns a perfect score of 10 points for the problem of the day. So to the schools, you can take your sheets, flip it over, and let's read the problem of the day together. Given that 3 to the power x over the expression 1 plus 3 to the power x equals 3 on 7. Find the value of 3 to the power x and evaluate 81 to the power x over the expression 1 plus 81 to the power x. This is the problem of the day. You can start work. Take your seat. The schools have presented their solutions to the problem of the day on the screen. I'll go through the solution as has been given by the consultant and then tell you the marks I awarded and why. So they were given that 3 to the power x over 1 plus 3 to the power x is equal to 3 on 7. They were to find the value of 3 to the power x and then go ahead to evaluate 81 to the power x over the expression 1 plus 81 to the power x. Okay. So if you write this equation out and you cross multiply it, you come to 7 multiplies 3 to the power x equals 3 plus 3 multiplies 3 to the power x. And straight away, if you subtracted 3 multiplies 3 to the power x from both sides, you come to 4 multiplies 3 to the power x equals 3. And so 3 to the power x is equal to 3 over 4. This was really simple. At this point, you'd have 4 marks. You were to evaluate 81 to the power x over 1 plus 81 to the power x. And you can tell that 81 is 3 to the power 4. So 81 to the power x, therefore, is 3 to the power 4 to the power 3 to the power 4x. Okay. And this is also equal to 3 to the power x 4. So you just change 4 and x. And this is also equal to 3 over 4 to the power 4, which will give you 81 to the power 256. So 81 to the power x over 1 plus 81 to the power x then becomes 81 over 256 over 1 plus 81 over 256. And then if you solve this, you come to 81 over 337. If you had come to this point, I'll give you 6 marks. So for every step you explain 2 marks, and then you come to 6 marks, which will give you a total of 10 marks. Okay, so the solution from Our Lady of Mount Carmel. So they solved the first part correctly. They came to 3 to the power x equals 3 over 4. They were also able to tell that 81 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power 4x. But then that's where they came to. They didn't continue from there. So they would have 6 marks. Edu Gyamfi Senior High School was able to solve from A to Z. They will have 10 marks. Accra Academy as well was able to solve everything, they would have 10 marks. And this means that for this round 3, Edu Gyamfi Senior High School and Accra Academy both win the NSMQ star. Well done to you. Round 4. Before we go on to round 4, we would make these substitutions. Our Lady of Mount Carmel Girls Senior High School would like Selina Ayabila to come on for Clotilda Mintome. Accra Academy would like Peniel Godwin Addy to come on for Philip Balani. Okay. Selena and Godwin, you're welcome. Round 4. In round 4, I'll make a series of statements to each school. And for each statement, I want you to tell me if it's true or false. If you answer correctly, you would earn 2 points. If your answer is incorrect, there's a penalty point of 1. If you decline to answer and so you are bailed out, another school can take up your question for the same rules. If they answer correctly, they have 2 points. If the answer is incorrect, there's a penalty point of 1. In this round, again, I'll start with Accra Academy. Accra. Ocean currents carry nutrients and food to organisms that live permanently attached in one place. Yes, Godwin. False. Into the microphone.
False.
No, it's true. Edu Gyamfi, the constantly evaporating ocean waters create rain, thunderstorms, and hurricanes, reducing the temperature and humidity of the air. Yes. Yes, Enoch.
True.
No, it's false. Our Lady of Mount Carmel, phytoplankton and zooplankton live in the upper areas of the ocean and use photosynthesis to make their food. Yes, Selena.
False.
Yes, it's false. Accra Academy, a 3-digit number is a combination. Godwin.
False.
Yes, it's false. It's rather a permutation. Edu Gyamfi, 4-letter code word is a permutation. Yes, Eben.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. Our Lady of Mount Carmel. A 4-letter name of a quadrilateral is a combination. Yes, Selena.
False.
No, it's true. Accra Academy. A magnetic dipole in a uniform magnetic field experiences a magnetic torque that is perpendicular to the magnetic field. Okay, Godwin.
True.
Yes, it's true. Edu Gyamfi. The magnetic torque experienced by a magnetic dipole in a uniform magnetic field tends to orient the dipole in the direction of the field. Yes, Enoch.
False.
No, it's true. Our Lady of Mount Carmel. A magnetic dipole in a uniform magnetic field experiences a magnetic force that is perpendicular to the magnetic field. Yes, Selena.
True.
No, it's false. Accra Academy. An organic compound with sp2 hybridized carbon atoms is an alkene. Okay.
True.
No, it's false. Edu Gyamfi. If a hydrocarbon has an sp2 hybridized carbon, it may be a cycloalkane. Yes, Eben.
False.
Yes, it's false. Our Lady of Mount Carmel. If a hydrocarbon has sp2 and sp3 hybridized carbons, it is an alkane. Yes, Selena.
False.
Yes, it's false. A preamble indicates whether the following are true or false with respect to functions of the mucous membrane. Functions of the mucous membrane. Accra Academy. To absorb nutrients from food. Godwin.
True.
Yes, it's true. Edu Gyamfi. To keep the body dry. Eben.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. Our Lady of Mount Carmel. To help break down odors so that they may be detected and smelled. Selena.
True.
Yes, it's true. Accra Academy. Cos theta is negative for theta in the second quadrant. Godwin.
True.
Yes, it's true. Edu Gyamfi. Sin theta is negative for theta in the fourth quadrant. Enoch.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. Our Lady of Mount Carmel. Tan theta is positive for theta in the third quadrant. Yes.
True.
Yes, it's true. Accra Academy. All isotopes of hydrogen contain 1 proton and at least 1 neutron. Godwin.
False.
Yes, it's false. Edu Gyamfi. Tritium is neutron rich compared to deuterium and decays by beta emission into helium-3. Eben.
True.
Yes, it's true. Our Lady of Mount Carmel. The reaction between a neutron and a helium-3 nucleus produces protium and tritium. Yes, Sarah.
True.
Yes, it's true. Accra Academy. The species S2 minus and AL3 plus are isoelectronic. Godwin.
False.
No, it's true. Edu Gyamfi. The species Cl minus and Sc plus are isoelectronic. Yes, Eben.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. Our Lady of Mount Carmel. The species Ca2 plus and P3 minus are isoelectronic. Yes, Selena.
True.
Yes, that is true. And that brings us to the end of round 4.
Yo, Charlie, what's up?
Bro, I do.
It's that time of the year again.
Abi, you know, we made it last year. What will be the challenge for today?
Time travel is possible. All we have to do is find E.
This one day, we go need more time for that.
But we have the best data bundles.
Yeah, bro, I see.
Do more with Ghana's best data bundles on Airtel Tigo. Big time data, Sika Coco, Morning Rush, and other amazing offers. Dial *111# now.
Airtel Tigo. Life is simple.
Whoever you're doing it for, we'll help you get it done. Simply. That's Africanacity. That's APSA.
Okay, so before I mention the scores, the last question I asked Accra Academy, that the species S2 minus and AL3 plus are isoelectronic. It's actually false, so the answer was correct. At the end of round 4, here are the scores. Our Lady of Mount Carmel Girls Senior High School, 26 points. Edu Gyamfi Senior High School, 32 points. Accra Academy, 57 points. Round 5. In the final round of this contest, I'll present to you 4 different riddles, and I want you to solve for those riddles. For each riddle, I'll read out a series of clues to assist you to solve the riddle. At any time, if you have an answer, ring your bell. I'll stop and allow you to give your answer. If you give me a correct answer on the first clue, 5 points. If the correct answer comes on the second clue, 4 points. Any clue thereafter, you have 3 points. However, if your answer is incorrect, you stay out of that particular riddle and come for the next one. In this round, we have the Goal Riddle Bonanza, and this is what it is. Goal seeks to reward a school that solves 3 or 4 of the riddles correctly. If you are able to give me the answers to 3 riddles correctly, you earn 1,200 Ghana cedis from Goal. If you give me all answers, so 4 out of 4, then you win 1,600 cedis from Goal in the Goal Riddle Bonanza. Our first riddle. I am a type of trait. I may be modified variously by environmental conditions. I am usually governed by many factors or genes, perhaps 10 or 100 or even more. Each factor contributes such a small amount of phenotype. The individual effects of such factors cannot be detected by Mendelian methods, but only by, okay, Accra Academy. Yes, Jubilee.
Polygenic trait.
No. By statistical methods. That's it. That's the end of my clues. Yes, Edu Gyamfi. Yes, Enoch.
Recessive trait.
No. Our Lady of Mount Carmel. Yes, Selena.
Continuous trait.
No, no. It's a quantitative trait. Our next riddle. I am a transformation in the plane. I do not generally preserve distances or angles. I map a straight line onto a straight line. I am not a rigid body motion. I map the origin into itself. I am a transformation. Yes, Edu Gyamfi.
Rotation.
No. I am a transformation of the form xy goes into ax plus by, comma cx plus dy. Who am I? Our Lady of Mount Carmel girls. Yes. Yes, Sarah.
Linear transformation.
Yes, that's correct. That came on the last clue, 3 points. I am a named law in physics. I govern a long-range fundamental interaction. Yes, Our Lady of Mount Carmel.
Newton's law of universal gravitation.
No. I am therefore an inverse square law. In reality, I specify only part of the interaction particles governed by me can undergo. Those particles are characterized by a property that is either positive or negative. Yes, Accra Academy. Yes, Jubilee.
Coulomb's law of electrostatics.
No. I am the physical law whose experimental foundation dates back to Cavendish's experiment with 2 concentric spheres, the inner one of which was initially charged. Who am I? Edu Gyamfi. Yes.
Coulomb's law.
That's correct. Our last riddle. I am a special kind of oxide. Even my name suggests I'm not ordinary. I am a dioxide. Yes, Accra Academy.
Superoxide.
That's correct. That came on the third clue. They have 3 points. That brings us to the end of round 5.
Chat to us anytime, anywhere. Access our virtual assistant, the APSA bot, 24/7. That's Africanacity. That's ABSA.
Today, the question is no longer, why do we have problems? But rather, how can we spin those challenges into opportunities? This is the revolutionary mindset we, students here at Academic City, are driven by. Academic City, we believe that the challenges of today are nothing like the opportunities of tomorrow. Hence, we're poised for the future. And so we say,
come join us.
Pakuli.
Yes,
At the end of round 5, here are the scores. Our Lady of Mount Carmel Girls Senior High School, 29 points. Gyamfi Senior High School, 35 points. Accra Academy, 60 points. With that convincing win, Accra Academy is the 16th school to qualify to the quarter-final stage of the National Championship. Congratulations, Accra Academy. Gyamfi Senior High School and Our Lady of Mount Carmel Girls Senior High School, thank you for joining us. You gave up your best. We hope to see a much improved performance next year. To my audience, thank you for joining us for this contest. We hope to see you for the next one. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with ABSA Bank and supported by Joy News, Girl, Prudential Life Insurance, Airtel Tigo, GNPC, Dano Milk, Newmont Ghana, Puma Drinks, Academic City University College, Accra College of Medicine, Studio HD, and YFM. I am Thelmohinia J, your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. Thank you and see you soon.